Hi, Finance for Kids and Beginners Part 4, Credit Card versus Debit Card. So let's settle the debate today. Credit card. You actually borrow the money from your bank account. You use all the money, but still on 30th or 31st, which is the end of the month, you have to pay all the money that you have spent throughout the month. Debit card. It's linked to your bank account and there is no need for borrowing money from your bank at all, and there is no interest that you have to pay. You actually have to pay interest for the money that you are using for your credit card, but there is no need for paying interest in your debit cards, and the money will be debited from your bank account every time you swipe. Okay, that's what the difference between credit card and debit card is. So let's come to the third point. Credit card is more safe because if there is something fraud happening in your credit card, if somebody hacks your credit card and if they debit some money from your credit card, if your money is gone and if there is some wrong transactions that has been done, if you raise a complaint from the bank, you can find what's happening and there is no need for you to pay for the money that has been fraud. But when it comes to the debit card, if your money is gone, if they've hacked your bank account and if your money is gone, it's all, it can't be retrieved. But when it comes to credit card, if you use it safer, credit card wins the debate. Thank you.